Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand how you can add the pictures, clip art, shapes, smart art and charts into your Microsoft Word documents. So these are the tools available on the illustration pane of the insert tab. Okay, so when you click on insert tab, you will be getting the illustration pad. In illustration pad you can find picture, clip art, shape, smart art and chart. Okay, now first click on the pictures. If you want to insert any pictures to your document, simply select the location. Okay, and select the picture and click on insert. That picture is going to display or inserted into your document. Now I want to increase or decrease the size of this picture, so there is a width and height options given, okay, in the size. So you can decrease the width, automatically height is also get reduced. Okay, in this fashion you can increase or decrease. There is a crop tool available, so you can crop the picture to remove any unwanted part of the picture. Okay, and there is a rotate option. If you click on rotate, you can rotate 90° to right, 90° to left, flip vertical and flip horizontal. So this is how you can use this rotate option. Okay, so align. So already we don't have any content, so it doesn't work out right now. Okay, now next is the position. If you have added the text, so we can position our image based on the text. Okay, text position. So you can find with the text wrapping. So these lines are the text and this is the image. Okay, right now it is displaying. If I select this one, it will come at the middle and text is surrounded by the pic. Okay, and you can also apply the picture styles. So these are the different picture styles available. Okay, so you may choose any picture style like this. Okay, okay, so what I do, I will open an existing document. Once again I will go to picture, I will insert the picture once again and I will decrease the size. Okay, like this. Okay, then I will go to pictures, tools and position. So now I can position this image at the left top, center, right top, at the middle of the document. Like this I can position my picture. Okay, right. So I will back to the previous document. Okay, now here after inserting picture, next is the clip art. When you click on the clip art, you will be getting a small pan at the right hand side. Click on organized clips. So you will be getting a dialog box. In this dialog box, select office collections, click on the plus button and you will be having academics, agriculture, animal. So the number of folders are appeared. Okay, so what kind of clip art you want, so you may choose the relevant keyword here. Okay, say buildings, I want this building. So what I do, I simply click on this button and just copy this one and click on close, say yes. Here I will just right click and paste the clip art. Okay, this is how you can insert the clip art into your document. Getting? Next is the shapes. Okay, so when you click on the shapes, you will be getting the recently used shapes, lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowcharts, callouts, stars and banners. Okay, so here whichever the shape you want, just click on that shape. Okay, your mouse pointer it turned into a plus symbol. Just simply click on the page and drag and drop. Okay, the selected shape will be created on your page. Okay, now you can select this and you can use the shape style like this. Okay, there are number of designs available, so whichever you like you just simply select it. Okay, and even though you can use this rotator to rotate your shape also. Okay, this is how the rotation take place. Okay, there is a rotate option here, is the rotate option also available, and manually also you can rotate your shapes. Okay, so this yellow button will use to change the shape of your cartoon. Say earlier it was a smiley face, now you can change it to sarrow face. Okay, like this you can use it, right? So these buttons are used to increase or decrease your shape. Okay, now again I will click on insert tab. In insert tab in illustration, the third option is the shapes. Click on the shapes. Okay, you may choose the other also, like I will choose this star. Okay, and I will click here, right? So it is displaying. I will apply this color, or I will simply click on black. Okay, now it is displaying. Now I want to write something on this star. Okay, so simply right click on it. You will be having the fourth option, add text. Click on add text and type say free. Okay, and select the free. Increase the font size like this. Okay, make it bold also, and change the font color also like this. Okay, like this you can refer these stars and banners for creating any handouts and all. Okay, the next is the smart art. When you click on the smart art, you will be getting the smart art dialog box. In this dialog box, the list of all the smart art is available here. Okay, if you click on list, you will be getting the different list for process, for cycle, hierarchy. Okay, relationships, matrix, pyramid. Like this you may refer any of these. So to add these pyramids to your document, simply click on the pyramid, whichever the pyramid you want. Okay, so I want this pyramid, I will choose this pyramid and I will click on OK. This pyramid will be added to your document. Okay, so to move from one place to another place, you can drag and drop. You can increase or decrease the size also. Okay, so click on the text, type top management. Next is middle management. Okay, sorry, bottom management. Right, like this you can use this pyramid structure. Okay, and the next would be the flow chart. So what I do, I will go to the next page. Press enter, 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 enter. Okay, You can go to the next page by entering. Okay, the second page is added. Now click on the chart. Okay, so here are the list of charts available. What type of chart you want in your document: column chart, line chart, pie, bar, area. Okay, now I will go with the column. In the column I will choose the subtypes, like I will go with this one. Okay, so I will click on OK. So Excel will get to appear on screen. These are the categories and these are the series. Okay, let's say category is BCA, BBM, BSc and BCom. Okay, here the series is nothing but I will say number of student appeared the exam, appeared and passed. How many appeared and how many get passed the exam. I will delete this series. Okay, the third series, and I will say total 120 appeared for BCA and 98 got passed. In BBM I will say 56 appeared and 47 passed. In BSc I will say 78 appeared and 73 passed. In BCom I will say 89 appeared and 79 passed. Okay, so after entering the valid data, okay, just simply click on close button, so you will back to your Microsoft Word. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so these are the bars which show you the appeared student, and this bar will show you the passed student. Okay, so this is how you can use it. You can delete the column, right? You don't want that, so you can delete that column also. Okay, like this you can refer. Okay, so this is all about the illustration tools of the Microsoft Word: pictures, clip art, shapes, smart art and chart. Okay, so kindly like my video, share and subscribe. Thank you.